Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Umar from e-commerce army. Today in this video I am going to tell you about Amazon PPC tips and tricks or mistakes to avoid in Amazon PPC ads campaign. In previous videos I have briefly described you about Amazon PPC and its bidding strategy, also how to set up Amazon PPC ads campaign from Amazon Seller Central. So I will recommend to watch those videos before watching this video to understand everything. So before wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first mistake people do, they don't run brand dedicated campaigns. In brand dedicated campaigns, what we do, we add our brand name with our research keywords in our Amazon PPC search terms. Yes, I will not recommend to do add brand name with our keywords in auto campaign, but in manual campaigns I will highly recommend to add brand name with our keywords, so that we start getting our brand name in Amazon searches and we can build our brand audience. So it is very important to mention your brand name with keywords in manual campaigns. Moving on to the next point. Next point is no problem solving keywords. Okay, whenever you do keyword research, you find problem solving keywords related to your products. Keywords that shows customers' concerns about your products. So once you find those problem solving keywords, you have to add those problem solving keywords in your search terms to increase your conversion rate. It is very again important point, so keep in mind about researching problem solving keywords. Moving on to the next point. Next mistake people do is they don't go for the push campaigns. Push campaigns helps you in getting more organic sales. In push campaigns we have to run PPC ads campaign on our top 5 research keywords with setting the bids on the higher side. So what it will do, eventually, yes, your cost will be high, but it will impressively help you in organic ranking and your organic sales. So we will, as our main purpose of PPC campaign is to get more and more organic sales. So eventually in start, even if we have high cost and we are getting organic ranking, it is not a big issue for us. Moving on to the next point, this is the most common mistake people do. What they do is they set the bid on the higher side and also increase bidding replacement to 900%. I will highly discourage this. Please make sure, yes, you have to set the bid on the higher side, but keep the bidding replacement on 0. Yes, once you start getting more sales and more ranking, more ratings on your products, then you can gradually increase the bidding replacement. So please make sure to keep this point in your mind. It is very important to keep your bidding replacement to 0 in the start. Moving on to the next point, people do no ASIN targeting campaigns. It is again very important for us to do the ASIN targeting campaigns. Find products that are statistically not impressive, products with bad images, bad reviews, and bad ratings, so that if customers click on a product that is not very impressive products in terms of images and ratings, they will go down and in suggested searches, yeah, they will find your product which will be very listing optimized with good reviews and better ratings. So there are high chances that customer will buy your product from their product page. So it is very important to do ASIN targeting campaigns. Moving on to the next point. Next point, we have no defensive campaigns. People do the mistake, they don't run defensive campaigns in PPC. What defensive campaign you will do? You will target your own essence in defensive campaigns. So if you don't target your own essence, what other sellers will do, those sellers who are getting more sales and those who have more ratings, they will start grabbing your sales as well. Once a customer clicks on your product, he will only see your products in the suggested products as well. This way no other product will be getting sales from your product pages. So please make sure to run defensive campaigns as well. Moving on to the next point. Next point we have ignoring portfolios. In start, what people do, we ignore portfolio. But once we have many campaigns running at a time and we have increasing number of products, we tend to lose optimization of our campaigns. It becomes difficult for us to manage campaigns and portfolios. So it is my suggestion, recommendation to please optimize your campaigns or portfolio from the start of your campaigns. Moving on to the next last but not the least point is neglecting. What people do, they neglect negative keywords. Yes, in start we don't get negative keywords in auto campaigns, but we have to but we need to what you will find in negative keywords that you have to monitor search terms of your auto campaigns time by time. You will get many irrelevant keywords, and so you must add negative keywords in the negative keywords column, so that you don't about to waste your spendings. You don't waste your spendings on irrelevant keywords. So please make sure to keep all these points in your mind while you start running your PPC campaigns. So these are the best tips and tricks for your Amazon PPC campaigns. So this is it from today's video. If you like the video, please make sure to click the like button. Also, if you need any help or consultation, you can contact me on Skype. I have put in my link of Skype profile in the description. So also please subscribe to my channel for daily Amazon, Shopify or e-commerce updates. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.